Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will talk about chapter 1.3 growth curve. Okay, what is growth curve? Growth curve is the rate of growth of a plant or plant part is not always the same during its lifespan. It can be classified based on their life cycle, which are annual plant, biennial plant, and also perennial plant. For annual plants are plants that have only one life cycle for a season or a year. Annual plants germinate, bloom, set seed, and die all in 1 year. These plants usually die after completing their biological cycle, which starts from germination and ends with flowering or producing seeds. For example, paddy plant, pumpkin plant, and also watermelon plant. Annual life cycle start from seed and then vegetative growth, continue to flowering, and death. For biennial plants, what is biennial plants? Biennial plants refer to plants which take 2 years with 2 seasons of growth to complete their life cycle. So they grow in 2 seasons within 2 years. For the first growth season is their vegetative growth, the growth of roots, leaf, and stem structure. For second growth season is their reproduction. Most of the plant grow in temperate region. For example, carrot plant, cabbage, and also silver squash. Biennial life cycle start from the seed, and then vegetative growth 1. Dormancy during winter. Dormancy is like a short break, so it takes short break during winter, and then continue to vegetative growth 2 during spring and summer, flowering, and death. For perennial plants live more than 2 years. These plants have longer lifespan depending on the species and their condition. Perennial plants can be classified into 2 groups, which are woody perennial plants and also herbaceous perennial plants. Most of these plants are able to flower and bear fruits many times throughout their lives. These plants have structure that are adaptable to their surrounding and temperature change. As an example, grass, hibiscus plant, and mango plant. For perennial life cycle start from seed and then vegetative growth, flower, dormancy, repeat again vegetative growth, continue flower, dormancy, and death. Then we move on to growth curve of annual plants. As we can refer to the graph, the growth curve is a sigmoid curve. For A, the decrease in dry mass. During A, food stored in the cotyledon is used for germination. During B, increase in dry mass. The rate of growth increases rapidly because the plant has carried out photosynthesis. For C, constant dry mass. The rate of growth is 0, so the plant is mature. And then D, decrease in dry mass. Happens slowly because of aging, lower rate of photosynthesis, shedding of leaves and flowers, and seed dispersal. For growth curve of biennial plants, as we can refer to the graph, there is 2 combined sigmoid curve. For the first growth season, plant produce leaves and photosynthesis take place, and the food stored in tubers. Tubers mostly found on underground vegetables such as potato. And then second growth season. During the second growth season, the food stored is used to produce flowers and seeds. Next, we move on to growth curve of perennial plants. As we can refer to the graph, the growth curve is a series of small sigmoid curves. Every year, the growth curve is a sigmoid curve. So 1 year, 1 semi-curve. Growth occurs throughout the lifespan of a plant. The rate of growth is high during spring and summer. As mentioned before, high light intensity increases the rate of photosynthesis. The rate of growth decreases in winter. So this is one of the experiments that I'm going to show you. The aim of this experiment is to design an experiment to study the effect of sun toward growth in plants.
The next month, I'll be talking nice to plant A and mean to plant B. Let's begin.
You are so pretty and so beautiful, and you're gonna grow so much because I love you. I love you. What's up, you dumb sack of crap? You trying to grow? You can't grow. Crap's a sack can't grow, you dumb sack of crap. You're so thirsty?
Probably because someone's growing up so fast. Now shut up. You are so much prettier than all these sluts. Seriously, you should be in a botanical garden. I am serious. You look fierce. Oh man, you look like marijuana came down with polio. Okay, day 30. Time to see how it turned out. Plant A, you grew a total of 2 inches. I am so proud of you. Plant B, you grew a total of, who gives a crap? You sack of crap. You couldn't do the one thing.
That's all from me. Thank you.